sir.
You tell me about yourself. Yes, tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Harshad.
Yes.
And my father name is Santosh Pura and my mother name is Lakshmi Devi. I 13 years old.
Yeah.
And I 8th class student and my school name is Taxila Vidyati.
Okay. What about you? What is your name?
My name is Chirag Kumar. My father's name is
Mediju.
My mother's name is
Mediju.
My age is 13 years old. My date of birth 31 December 12 month 2008.
Okay.
Yes.
Over to you.
Tell me your hobbies, which you want, Tell me your hobbies.
My hobby is doctor.
Be a doctor.
This is not your hobbies. This is your ambition. That is your
Ambition.
target. Hobbies means which you do every time. Means not every time. Most of the time.
Yes.
Like playing cricket, like listening music. This is a hobby, no?
Playing cricket.
Cricket. Yes.
Do you think in cricket you have a scope? Because there is already Virat Kohli in the team.
Virat Kohli is the big four captain. He is the most player in Indian team. He is the many runs covered in Indian team. And he plays our country.
How many players play in the cricket?
11.
11 players. Yes.
Yes. Are you interested in cricket?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the present wicket keeper of India.
So I interest cricket, but I not see cricket.
Do you know about Rishabh Pant?
Do sir.
Rishabh Pant? You know about Rishabh Pant? You know about MS Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me some
MS Dhoni.
points about MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni was a very most famous cricketer in the cricket
Yes.
time, and in this time many person are liked MS Dhoni because MS Dhoni are very brilliant and experience of the cricket team.
Okay, good. Chirag, so since you are merely in class 8, you tell me about favorite subject.
Hindi.
Hindi. So, do you know about the Faniswanath Renu? No. In Hindi, okay, you tell me about some good story of Hindi.
Hindi is a good subject. Hindi is a good subject, and his many Hindi books are covered stories and poet name. His many poet name famous. Premchand and General Army. He's a right of one and army. He's a side.
Okay, good. Yes, over to you.
Yes. In which class do you read? You?
8.
8th class. Do you both read it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the positive point of your school in which you read. Taxila school, no? Tell me the environment of the school, of the class.
The environment of the school are very interesting, and any teacher are not beat, and my school time are very funny childrens, and important for the study. Any teacher are to study are checking children, and
Okay, fair enough. Do you have interest in mathematics? You don't have interest? Tell me about your favorite subject apart from Hindi. Social science, science, other. You don't like other subjects. Geography? Do you like geography? No. You have interest in Hindi only. Yes, you can have such interest because yes, Munshi Prem or other people also have had very great interest in Hindi or other literature. That's why they became very, very popular poets. So in Hindi, okay. So why Hindi is very important?
Hindi is very important for my Indian language. Is many people say that Hindi.
Correct.
Is many people say not Hindi. I am choose subject in Hindi.
Okay. Most of the Indians speak in Hindi. That's why you have interest in Hindi. Is it correct? No, it is not a proper justification. It all depends on your interest, no? If you have interest in Urdu also, you can pursue your life in Urdu. You can go in Urdu field. It should not be restricted on the number of peoples that actually interested or that speaks in the society. It all depends on your individual capability. If you have interest in social science, if you have interest in mathematics, you do not need to see the other people, what the other people likes or not. You have to concentrate on yourself. Correct? Because Hindi is not our national language, for your information. Hindi is not a national language. In India, there are a lot of languages. We have Telugu language also, Malayalam, Kannada language, Bengali language, Hindi language, Haryani language. Many languages are present in this diverse country. Krishna, what is your favorite subject?
my favorite subject is first Hindi and second science, including biology.
Yes. Ask him about some questions pertains to science background.
Science. Yes. Why are you interested in science? And do you have any background related to this subject?
Science are interesting because many things that teach that knowledge to convert knowledge, and that first many types of science. First physics, biology, chemistry, and in this biology subject are very interesting because in this many things that like body structure means very explain that too in the biology subject to teach our teacher, and the physics, chemistry are very important for doctor and engineer are crossed science subject to pass on the NEET exam and the doctor exam.
Yes. You know, and it is fact that the science is most important to enhance the scientific temperament and the mentality and mindset. So, and you also talked about biology. Tell me the importance of biology to know about the human structure.
Biology are important because some people aim at doctor to make a doctor, and biology is a part of the doctor to many things that teach.
Yes, I have such questions. you participate in the competitive exam, Olympiad. You have such caliber. Tell me the experience tell me the experience which you experienced in this examination and this type of mentality to prepare this type of examination question.
Before school, I am prepared the Olympiad examination, the competitive exam. My experience is in competitive exam. I am prepared, and my friends, I meet her, and I am always said an Olympiad exam to cover this chapter, and my friends also, and I am captured the Olympiad exams.
Do you have any best friend?
Mm.
Tell me the name.
Rohit,
Why your friendship is so good with Rohit?
his body language good and his language very good and his take discipline.
Yes.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, now conclude your interview. How is your interview, Krishna?
In this first time to interview, and very interesting, and I know that thing in this interview are hard, but interview is a most important in our life.
Are you satisfied with your performance in this interview?
Yes.
Yes. Conclude the interview.
This is my first time interview. I know this interview is many things and his body language is a main part of the interview. And he is the interview master and he said the many questions and he is prepared all interviews.
Okay, very good.
Mm.
Very good.